Don't make this weird. Don't make this weird. That ass. Do not make this weird. I'm not going for clips or nothing like that. Yo, that ass. If there's any little girls in the area, hold on. If there's any Girl Scouts in my area, hit me up. All right, hit me up. Hit my phone up. You know what I'm saying? I need some Girl Scout cookies. No bullshit. Hey, bro, I was smacking these right here today. My mom brought me back some new ones today, but I never tried that flavor. I'm scared. I don't even want to open that shit up. Since I'm the big Tino, if you find this clip, you hit me up. I will give you an extra little tip. All right. Realistically, if there's a little girl with a stand on the side, and I walk up to her twin with my backpack on, maybe reach in my backpack, try to grab some bread to grab some cookies, y'all think she's gonna be scared or frightened or fucking run away or think I'm a threat? You think I'm supporting a cause, bro? It's Girl Scouts. I legitimately like them. Please don't post that to TikTok. Really? No way you think when I'm live streaming I think about TikTok.